Okay, in my previous video, I was showing you how to use your Classwiz calculator to calculate probabilities for z values. In this video, I am going to teach you how to use the calculator to calculate the values of z where the probability is known. So in this case, in part A, let's say, if you wanted to calculate this directly, what this question basically tells you is that there's a certain value for A below which the entire probability is 0.9693. So what you do is you go to your calculator, you go to menu, you go to distribution. Instead of now going to normal CD, you go to the inverse normal distribution and you put in your area 0.9693. Okay, mu and sigma remain as 1 and 0, and you press equals to get your answer, which is 1.871. Now, if you're an A-level math student, you would have to show me some amount of working. You would do this first, and then write this as phi inverse, and then use your calculator to calculate the probability.